Ready, heroes. Welcome to Super Haroof Heroes. It's time to learn and play.
Ready to step into the colorful world of words. The alphabet's first steps.
Assalamu alaikum, friends. I am Alif, the very first letter of the Urdu alphabet, and this is my special partner, Alif Mada.
Assalamu alaikum, friends. I am Alif Mada. I'm a little different from Alif. We are the Alif pair. Our alphabet's beginning. We come first, so you can learn all the amazing letters in our family.
That's all for today. You've learned so well. In the next video, we, Alif and Alif Mada, will reveal all our secrets to you. That's all. What words are formed from us? What our identity is, what special difference there is in us.
You've taken the first step into the wonderful world of Urdu words. And it's going to be so much fun. Allah Hafiz, my clever stars. Allah